This 2024 Winnebago Revel 44E is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 7 inches in length and features a Intrepid, blue, silver springs interior, sleeps 3, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, spare tire kit, Skylight, LP detector, awning, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Winnebago Revel 44E is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.